I'm back playing Happy Race. Like I said before, in my other Happy Race video, it's like Happy Wheels. This is Happy Race. I played it before. I made a video on it. I just like it. Oh, and his leg broke. But yeah, I'm going to be playing these videos. And any recommendations, please leave in the comment section below. He's dead. He's dead. Okay, here we go. Who wants to see a backflip? Backflip! Total fail. Oh my god. What? Oh my god. His freaking head. I went so far with just my head. Here we go. Let's go. Do this. Get in. Okay. Oh, no. Oh, he's dead. Sucks. And, I can't believe I did that. Just roll towards. No. Oh, that was so close. No. Let's do this. Don't try this at home, ladies and gentlemen. Gentlemen. Coming on a cold. Suck up. I wasn't paying attention. I was paying attention to something else. Okay. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I'm using... I don't know if this is a copyright. And if it is, I apologize. I'm using Mobilizer. Mobizin? I don't know. That was Mobilizer. And yeah, most people do to record their screens, and this is the solution to most of my video problems. So yeah. When I finish this level, that's when this video will end. So I'm gonna try this. Sorry I haven't posted videos in a while. I've been busy with school and things. So try to post as much as I can when I can. So yeah. So his leg's just sitting there. But yeah. I don't know what else to say. You guys can say things in the comments section below. And I really want some likes and subscribers. And I didn't realize I fell at that moment. Stupid. You stupid. You're riding the cart wrong. I'm just gonna back it up. Oh my god. Trying to get him in. So majestic. It's like, oh. Yeah. Do we unlock it yet? No. Copyright. No. Oh Sorry, guys. Oh my god, I'm so... Alright, so that was it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And like always, like and subscribe, and give me some comments on what you would like to see me play. And just like always, talk to you guys later.